Exercise 4C, quadratic equations, class 10 maths. Question number 19, x plus 1 by x minus 1 minus x minus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 5 by 6, x not equal to 1, x not equal to minus 1. Yanode x mamo solova equal to 1 ungna manjawa, aro x mamo solova equal to minus 1 ungnakta manjawa. Mining mana denominator mamo solova 0 ungna manjawa, x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1 ungode, minus 1 plus 1 0 again, x equal to 1 ungode, 1 minus 1 0 again. Denominator mamo solova 0 ungna manja, ini unsa x not equal to 1 minus 1 yun na. Jadi ako solve again. This implies tadi denominator x minus 1 yan udah x plus 1 ya gini ni LCM deh petongnya x minus 1 into x plus 1. Tadi x minus 1 into x plus 1 ko ya denominator x minus 1 chi divide kau deh ya x minus 1 cancel again x plus 1 dongken. Tadi x plus 1 chi ya numerator x plus 1 ko multiply kau deh x plus 1 whole square nya. Yung sign de minus yan de minus ne question di yako plus misoka diba yede minus sa yeno plus ongech mo de answer ngai manjo ne ini man yako de na antang kare kaibo textbook de yako plus misoka diba yede minus ne ko antang kare kaibo tadi ye denominator x plus 1 chi ya x minus 1 into x plus 1 yako divide kabo ino de x plus 1 cancel again x minus 1 dongken yako ya numerator x minus 1 baksa multiply kau deh betongnya x minus 1 whole square and this is equal to 5 by 6 and this implies ya de a plus b whole square nya a plus b whole square ni form nya ya de a minus b whole square ni form nya I know side to set na a plus b whole square ini formula de a square plus 2ab plus b square digamna a minus b whole square ini formula de a square minus 2ab plus b square ya formula gi ini ko ino zakalgen a plus b whole square formula ko sakalang ode a square plus 2ab plus b square. You know here x, b here 1, so x here also x, 1, here 1. You know there minus, you know yan diga pa bracket kon again. Minus tumo de bracket kon na nga. Digamang to dia ko solve pagunok. Here a minus b whole square ni formong niya. A de x, b de 1. To a minus b whole square de a square minus 2 a b plus b square and bracket close again. Then e de x, x, a ni biya po x, b ni biya po 1, b ni biya po 1. Tagam na denominator de ide a minus b into a plus b ni formong niya. Kamu rough calculation masuk na a minus b into a plus b ini formula ra a square minus b square ya formula ko ino zakalgen dari a minus b into a plus b nya a de x b de 1 so a square minus b square on de bracket kon gisigan a de x b de 1 so x square minus 1 square and this is equal to right hand side de 5 by 6 and this implies x square and bracket ko open kaya bijok x square plus 2 into x into 1 de 2x plus 1 square to 1 ayun na minus into plus de minus x square minus into minus plus digamang 2 into x into 1 2x digamna minus into plus minus 1 squared 1 divided by x square minus 1 squared 1, and this is equal to right hand side today 5 by 6, and this implies today nibo baho add kana mana baho subtract kana mana ho today x square minus x square de 0 dimna 2x plus 2x de 4x dimna 1 minus 1 ye de 0 1 0 ko baho ya khat ya divided by x square minus 1 is equal to 5 by 6, and this implies that a cross multiply hagano that is 6 into 4x again digamna x square minus 1 yako ya 5 paksa multiply again node 4x into 6 and cross multiply habo, and this is equal to 5 into x square minus 1. Now this implies 6 into 4x there 24x, and this is equal to 5 into x squared 5 x square plus into minus to minus 5 into 1 5, and this implies that yako left side to yako de right side to again 5x square minus 5, and this is equal to 24x. Mining man yako ichibak takemna shengana माने या x square दंगो बाखो positive तके दोना नांगाय निगमनसा याको sin ची सब जानकता यगमखो इचिबाक तकेमना शिफ्का हा केमना यगमखो इचिबाक रांगदे आरो इचिबाक ने गमखो इचिबाक रांगदे sin ची सुंजा. So 5x square दिगमना 24x को दाउदे left side ना राबास खागेन योना minus उमनो या plus the minus 24x minus 5, and this is equal to 0, and this implies today ये middle term को split करना अगर या x square नि coefficient 5 ची या constant 5 को multiply करो इन्होंने 5 into 5 ते 25 होंगे 25 today 25 नि factor को check करो 1 into 25 आरो बेटा 5 into 5 and 25 today बेटा होंगे 24 को मन गया ये को check करो 25 minus 1 kabo inore 24 ongya 25 minus 1 kaude 24 ongya. So 5x square minus the split kabo jok 24 ko make it again 25 minus 1 into x minus 5 is equal to 0, and this implies 5x square the minus into plus the minus 25 into x 25x minus into minus the plus 1 into x de x minus 5 is equal to 0, and this implies yano de mai khaman ongya ye number gigni ko divide kana man gba de 5 digamna x square or x gigni ko divide kana man gba x demna 5x square ko 5x divide ka de on x ke sa dungaken demna negative by positive to negative 25x ko 5x divide ka de beta dungaken 5 plus yenore common ko badung jai neman 1 ko second digamna positive by positive te positive x ko 1 chi divide ko de x negative by positive te negative 5 divided by 1 de 5, and this is equal to 0, and this implies that the common ko bade x minus 5 dimang mai dung kya 5x plus 1. This is equal to 0, and this implies x minus 5 is equal to 0, or 5x plus 1 is equal to 0, and this implies x is equal to minus 5 ko jakra chirangode 5, or 5x is equal to the plus 1 ko jakra chirangode minus 1, or x is equal to the 5 ko cross multiply how de minus 1 by 5. So therefore x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 1 by 5 are the roots of the given equation.